Did you know you could owe UK tax even on money you earn abroad? Like rental income from Spain, a pension from Australia, or dividends from US stocks. But here is a twist. Not everyone pays. In today's video, I will show you exactly who gets taxed, who doesn't, and what changes in 2025 that could save or cost you thousands. Hi, I'm Rubina, a qualified accountant with over 20 years plus experience in accountancy and tax compliance. If you live in the UK but earn money overseas, or you are planning to move abroad, this video is for you. I will break it down all with real examples so you will know when you need to pay UK tax on foreign income, how to check if you are officially a UK resident for tax purposes, what happens if you are taxed twice in different countries, and the big changes from April 2025. I will also explain split hair treatment with a practical example. It is one of the most misunderstood rules out there. What counts as foreign income? Foreign income includes wages, overseas property rent, pensions, and investment. If Sarah works in Dubai and sends money home, that is foreign income. If John rents out his flat in Spain while living in London, that rental income is also foreign income. Do you have to pay UK taxes? If you are not a UK resident, you only pay UK tax on UK income. If you are a UK resident, you usually pay tax on all worldwide income. Mark lives in Manchester but owns shares in a US company. He must declare his US dividends on his UK tax return. But if Emma permanently lives in Canada and visits the UK for just 2 weeks a year, she only pays UK tax on any income earned in the UK, not her Canadian wages. How to work out if you are a UK resident? Automatic UK resident if you spend 183 plus days in the UK, your only home is in the UK. For example, Priya lives in London 200 days a year. She is a UK resident. Automatic overseas resident if you spend fewer than 16 days in the UK. For example, Alex works full-time in Singapore and visits the UK for just 10 days. He is not a UK resident. If it is less clear, HMRC uses the sufficient ties test. For example, Tom spends 100 days in the UK, has a UK home and family here, enough ties to make him resident. Reporting foreign income such as double taxation. Rachel works in France but lives in the UK. France taxes her salary and the UK does too. She can claim tax relief using a certificate of residence, so she is not taxed twice on the same income. Split hair treatment. If you move in or out of the UK, the tax year may be split. Liam moves from London to Australia in September. For April to September, he is UK resident and pays UK tax on worldwide income. From October to April, he is non-resident and only pays UK tax on UK income. Domicile rules before April 2025. Maria, originally from Italy, lives in the UK but is still non-domiciled. She earns 1,500 euros interest in an Italian bank account since it is under £2,000 and she does not transfer it to the UK bank account. She doesn't need to pay UK tax. But if she earned 5,000 euros and moved it into a UK bank account, she would either pay UK tax or claim the remittance basis, which comes with charges. Long-term residents' annual charges. James, a US citizen, has lived in the UK for 12 of the last 14 years. To keep claiming the remittance basis, he must pay HMRC an annual charge of £60,000. Working in the UK and abroad. Foreign workers exemption. Rules. Sophia works part-time in Germany, earning £8,000 and has £50 savings in trust. She also works in the UK. Since her overseas income is under £10,000 and already taxed in Germany, she doesn't need to report it to HMRC. Overseas Workday Relief. Daniel, based in New York, is seconded to the UK by his employer. Under Overseas Workday Relief, he only pays UK tax on the days he physically works in the UK, not on the days he works abroad. So, here is the bottom line. Your residency status is the key to knowing if you pay UK tax on foreign income. Non-residents only taxed on UK income. Residents usually taxed on worldwide income. Non-DOMs had special tax breaks, but from April 2025, those breaks are disappearing. Don't leave money on the table or get caught out by HMRC penalties. Always check your residency status and if needed, get professional tax advice. If this video helped you understand the rules, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit. And if you have got questions, drop them in the comments. I will answer as many as I can.